This is the most delicious Ghanaian snack ever. Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. Today we're making Ghanaian polo recipe or coconut biscuit recipe, which you're going to love. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So if this is what you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The main ingredients for this recipe is coconut, and we're going to be using the matured coconut. Kindly make sure not to use the soft one because it won't work out the way you want it. Okay, now to a mixing bowl, I'll go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll go in with some sugar, which is half cup, baking powder as well, and also some salt to taste. Don't forget to go in with some nutmeg for extra flavor. Now don't worry yourself, I'm going to be listing everything and the quantity in the description box for you to check it out. Now let's stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I will set it aside and begin to grate and blend my coconut. So I have removed the shells from the coconut and I've also washed it very well. So as you can see, this coconut is very matured and it's looking very perfect. Now let's grate it using a grater. You can also blend this if that is what you want, but for today's recipe I'll be grating and blending it at the same time because I want to have a little bit of the coconut milk. If your grater can help you achieve a lot of milk, no need blending it, okay? But if you don't have that small mesh to grate your coconut, kindly blend it to release some stress as well. Okay, now let's grate it, and after grating it, this is the outcome. It's looking good and just as I wanted. Now I'm going to set this aside, and I'll also blend the leftover coconut as well because, as I said, I need some coconut milk to mix my dough. Okay, if you don't want to use coconut milk as well, you can use water to mix your dough, but since we're making polo or coconut biscuits, the coconut milk is the best option. Okay, now I'll add my grated coconut and also the blended coconut to my flour, and I will use my hands to mix beautifully until everything is nice and well incorporated. Kindly make sure not to use a lot of coconut milk or water to mix this dough because you'll end up having a very soft dough and we don't want that. So kindly add in the coconut milk little by little to achieve the perfect dough that you're looking for. And for extra sweetness, I also go in with some evaporated milk. Kindly feel free to use any milk of your choice. Now let's stir everything together until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely. Now while that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I'm going to roll out my dough, but before I do that, let's go ahead and heat up some cooking oil. I'm using vegetable cooking oil for this recipe. Kindly use any type of oil to fry your coconut biscuits and you are good to go. But if you have coconut oil, it's a plus for you. Okay, now let's roll out the dough until we have the perfect thickness that we're looking for. Always make sure to fly your dough or your working surface to prevent your dough sticking together. Okay, now after rolling out the dough to get the perfect size, I'll then cut or shape my dough into the perfect polo shapes that we normally see on market. You can also feel free to cut your dough how you want it and you are good to go. Now we're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and simple recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that, and don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you once again. Now we're done cutting our polo into the perfect shapes that we want, and our oil is nice and hot. We're going to fry our polo on low medium heat until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. As always, you should be checking this from time to time to get the best results. Okay, now let's fry on low medium heat, as I said, until everything is nice and ready. So one thing about this polo recipe is that it can be served at any place at any time. If you are making any party that you are thinking of, any snack to serve your party guests, or if you are looking for any snack to serve your funeral guests, trust me, this is the best snack ever. Everybody will love it. All you have to do is to trust the process. All right. After frying the polo for about 5 minutes, this is the end result. As you can see, it's looking all golden and perfect. All that is left is for us to remove everything from the oil, and I'll be placing this on a paper towel as well to absorb the oil on the polo a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to set it aside, and I'll repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up. If you are still with me, do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now our polo is ready and nicely done. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian coconut biscuit or polo. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I'll be glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. This is the outcome. It turned out really good, very crunchy, and it looks very delicious as well. Do trust the process and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.